Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to disable background apps in Windows to improve performances. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to disable background apps in Windows, you need to simply open your Windows setting apps. So once you're in your Windows settings, you need to go to apps installed. So after going on apps installed, then for each unwanted app, click the three dots next to it and select Advanced Options to find Background App Permission setting. Once you have done this, you can simply change this to Never to prevent the app from running in the background, which can improve your performance, battery life, and reduce resource consumption. So by doing this, you will be able to disable background apps in Windows to improve performance. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon with many interesting and updating videos like this, so don't forget to watch our next video.